Thank you for calling Microsoft. How may I help you today?
Call this number and it says something about
Hello?
how I have a virus on my computer.
Okay, can you tell me more about it? How did you got the number?
Like, I know I have a message on my computer. It tells me that I have a virus and it tells me to call this number.
Okay, what were you doing on the computer when you got this message?
Yes, I was just trying to go to my email.
Okay, may I know, is this your personal computer you're using right now?
Is my personal computer? Yes, it's my personal computer.
Okay, and the internet connection on the computer, is this your home internet connection?
Yes, it's my home internet connection.
Okay, first of all, the number which you dialed on is a registered number for Microsoft Corporation only. So in order to help you out, first you need to verify whether you are Microsoft registered customer or not, okay?
Alright.
So yeah, for that I will need the name of the person who bought the computer.
Yeah, so it's Terry and my
Uh-huh.
and my last name is Choo, Choo.
CHOO.
Yes.
Okay. Right, Terry, I will need your email address.
Yes, so my email address is Terry, so Terry, and then
Hmm?
MKCHOO at outlook.com.
MKCHOO.
Yes.
Mary Kilo, then then your last name, right?
Uh, yes, so yes.
At outlook.com, you said.
Yes.
All right. Now, in order to verify your account information on the Microsoft registry, I will need to go ahead and instruct you on some few steps you need to do on your computer, which will reflect your internet ID on the computer screen for you. All right.
Alright.
So, what I'm gonna do here is I'm simply gonna instruct you. So you need to do is follow my instructions. Okay. So
Alright.
just simply look at the computer keyboard.
Alright, I'm doing
On
that
the
right now.
bottom left of the keyboard, and on the bottom left of the keyboard, there's a Windows symbol key. Do you see it?
A Windows key, is that like, that's 4 squares key?
Uh huh. I want
Okay.
you to press and hold that key down.
Alright, I'm holding it down right now.
Okay. Now while you're holding it down, hit the letter R as in Robert once.
Alright. Alright, so now I see on like the left bottom corner of my screen it says run. Type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you.
Okay, good. Now you can let go of the keys and type in that box. All right.
Alright, so
I
alright.
need you to type in I as in India.
Okay, I is in India.
Spell out explore, EXPLORE.
Alright, explore.
All right, you got it.
Okay, like IEXPLORE.
Give a space,
Okay, single space.
then type in uh, I as in India,
Okay, I is in India.
S as in Sarah.
S is in Sam. Okay.
Okay, give a dot.
Okay, a dot.
G as in good,
G as in good. Okay.
D as in Delta.
D as in Delta.
Give a forward slash.
Okay, a forward slash.
Type in Microsoft.
Okay, Microsoft.
N as in Nancy.
Okay, N as in Nancy.
T as in Tango.
T as in Tango.
All right. Can you read that out to me, please?
Yes, so I have IEXPLORE and then a space, and then I have IS.GD and then a slash Microsoft NT.
Okay, good. I want you to click the OK option. Once you click OK, it's gonna load up a web page with a warning message on it. So just click on OK and let me know what
Okay,
you.
yeah, I see. Okay, so first I see it says set up Internet Explorer 11.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. I want you to click the recommended setting and just click OK.
okay, I just did that. Okay, so now it's saying, like, I see that link disabled. This
All
short
right.
URL
Once you have,
has been disabled due to
just
a
go ahead.
violation.
Okay. So that's the warning message, right? So below it, below the warning message, do you see a red link which says remoteutilities.com?
Okay, yes, I see that.
Click on that once.
Okay, I'm clicking on it now. Okay, so now I see it says, like, on the bottom like on the bottom of my screen, it says, do you want to run or save, like, do you want to run or save this file?
Click run.
Alright, looks like it's just loading something.
So once you hit run, it's gonna prompt you with another window on the screen. So please
Okay,
let me know when. Yeah.
okay, yeah, it just says right now, like, 10% downloaded, 1 minute remaining.
Okay. Just give it some time. All right.
Yes, alright, thank you.
Okay. Sure. And can you let me know this current computer? Are you the sole user of this computer, or anyone else uses this other than you?
I'm the only user of this computer.
Okay. I need to know for more details. For processing reasons, can you tell me, have you ever accessed any kind of pornographic websites on this?
No, I've never.
Okay. Okay, recently, for the past few weeks, have you ever received any kind of suspicious spam messages or emails which are not recognized to you?
Well, I mean, like, I usually get a bunch of spam email, but I also lately have been getting a
Uh-huh.
bunch of, like, pop-up messages on my, like, advertisements on my computer, which like, are just annoying, really.
Mm-hmm. So, other than that, there's no other unusual activity which you know of, right?
No. Okay, so now I see my computer.
Okay.
It says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, remote utilities, host?
All right, click yes for now.
Alright, I'm clicking yes right now.
Once you click yes, you'll be provided with an application which will reflect your internet ID and password.
Oh, yes, I
So,
see that.
just let, okay. I want you to read out your ID first.
The ID you said?
Yes, please.
Yeah, so 142 907 102 692.
All right.
And the password,
I'm gonna repeat the
and the password
the
says
ID first, okay?
5126.
Okay, 5126.
Yes, 5126.
All right. Please verify the ID. It's 142-907-102-692.
Okay.
Okay. Just give me a second, right? I'm gonna go ahead and verify your customer registry, so it will take me a few seconds. Be
Alright.
on the line, please.
Alright, thank you.
No problem, sir. Just be on the line with us. Okay. Thanks for being on the line. Terry, you there?
Yes, hello?
Your customer registry has been verified. You are a registered customer in the Microsoft Customer Registry. So we'll be helping out further here. So in order to help you, we have provided you with a secure server under Microsoft. So you
Okay.
should be looking at a small little screen or a rectangle box which says Active Connections, Remote Utilities at the bottom right of the computer screen.
Okay, yes,
So
I
tell
see
me if
that.
you see it.
Yes, I see that. It
Okay,
says,
good.
yeah.
All right. Okay, so that means basically you're safely connected with us on the computer server. All right, so your server is safely secured due to the reason because the number you dialed on right now, I have to explain it a little bit further here. See, the number you dialed is being integrated only on Microsoft computers. So basically, this number pops up when you receive connection-related issues, which
Okay.
basically means your computer is fine. It's the network the computer was using has been intact with some malicious program, which might be causing this issue. All
Alright.
right?
Alright.
Okay. So basically, if you're using your home internet, we have doubts that other devices which are on the same internet connection, they might have the same issue. All right. So we
Okay.
advise you to not use any kind of devices other than this computer right now, for the time being.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So can I know like how many other devices you are using on the same internet?
So I have this computer, and then I have a phone and an iPad. So I have 3 devices in total.
Okay. What about your family members?
I live by myself.
Okay. All right. Okay. Just give me a second then. All right.
Yes.
Thanks for being on the line. Terry, you there with me?
Yes. Hello.
Okay, Terry. So we just verified your details one more time. All right, just to make sure
Okay.
everything is fine. Now, now the problem which you're facing, as I told you earlier, is related with your networking issues. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, which basically relates with your identity on the internet network. So
Okay.
this might or can be a hacking activity case which you're looking at on a computer.
Okay.
So in order to fix it, I'm gonna ask you and instruct you with a few details which you need to forward and go ahead and do by yourself on the computer. All right. So
Okay.
that's the best right.
All right. Hold on. Give me 1 second. All right.
Okay. Press and hold that key down and hit the letter R with one more time.
Okay. So press that key and press the letter R again. All right.
Yes.
Okay. So now I have
So
that
that should,
run
yeah,
box
that's,
again.
yes, the run box, right? So you can let go of the keys, and I want you to type in that run box. We need you to type in M as in Mary,
Okay. M as in Mary.
S as in Sarah,
S as in Sarah.
C as in Charlie,
C as in Charlie.
O as in Oscar,
Okay. O as in Oscar.
N as in,
N.
yes, N as in Nancy,
Okay. So I have the N.
then F as in Frank,
F as in Frank. All right.
I as in India,
I as in India.
G as in gift.
All right. So G. All right.
Okay. So once you have it, can you read it out to me once?
Like, what do I have typed in? I have MSCONFIG.
Okay, good. I want you to hit the OK option.
Okay, I just did.
Once Okay. Once you hit OK, it's going to load up a window on the screen, which will show you detail on your system configurations. So you just let me know once you see it.
Yeah. Yes, I see it.
All right. So at the top of that box, you should see options which says General Boot Services, Startup Tools, right?
Okay, yes, I see that.
Okay. I want you to click the option says Services.
Services, alright.
So once you hit Services, you'll be looking at a list of services which are running on the system, okay?
Okay.
All right. So once you click on Service, I want you to click the letter N as in November on the keyboard.
Okay.
Right. So once you hit the letter N on the keyboard, you should be looking at the services starting with the letter N. Right.
Okay. Yes, I see that.
Okay. I want you to check for Network Connectivity Assistant. Do you see it?
Oh, okay, yes, I see that. It's just the one right below the first one.
Okay, good. Can you tell me the status of that service? Is it running or stopped?
It says it stopped.
Okay, so that might be the problem which which is causing the issue. on the computer screen.
Okay.
Right now, what's going on is basically this network connectivity assistant, which you're looking at, which is stopped by, which you can see is a Microsoft Corporation service provided to you, is the fail-safe, or basically the security which are being integrated on the computers of Microsoft to protect you from hacking activities. All right.
Okay.
So if you are looking at this program which has been stopped, that means the computer is not safe itself from third-party intervention from the network itself. So we believe that what you're looking at, the warning message, it popped up when this particular service stopped running and stopped providing you securities over the networking issue. Okay?
Okay.
So we're just gonna go ahead and make sure of it before we go ahead and conclude anything here. So I want you to close.
All right.
I want you to just look at the keyboard again.
Hold on. Give me 1 second, please.
I want you to hold that key and
Okay,
hit the
so-
letter R with it one more time.
Alright, so I'm holding the Windows and R key, okay?
Okay. So you should be at the the run box. All right. So once you are on it, let me know.
Okay, yes, it just popped up.
Okay. I want you to go ahead and type in there C as in Charlie,
Okay, C as in Charlie,
M as in Mary,
M as in Mary,
D as in Delta.
okay, D as in Delta.
I want you to hit enter after that. All right. Or just click OK.
Alright, I just did that.
Okay. So if you have done that correctly, you should be looking at a black screen on the computer.
Okay, yes, I see that.
Right. I want you to type in that black screen, N as in November,
N as in November,
E as in Echo, E. I'm sorry.
oh, sorry, so N,
All right. After N, it's E as in Echo,
E as in Echo,
then T as in Tango,
T as in Tango,
then S as in Sarah,
S as in Sarah,
T as in Tango,
T as in Tango,
A as in Alpha,
A as in Alpha,
and then T as in Tango.
okay,
So you should have net stat, right?
yes, that's correct.
So once you have net stat, just hit enter key on the keyboard.
Okay.
All right. Once you hit enter, you're gonna see your active connections loading up on the screen. All right.
Okay, yes, I see that.
Okay. So just give it some time. It will soon load up. All right. Once it's done, you let me know. Okay. I'll be on the line with you.
You know, like they're more that they're like keep coming, so I'm not sure when it's done.
Okay. It will be done once you see that C column backslash users backslash your computer name.
Okay.
Once you see that,
Alright.
yeah, that means it's done. All right. So just wait for that.
Okay, yes, it's just finished.
All right, sir. So I want you to tell me, are you looking at active connections? Do you see active
I don't
connections?
see that on the screen anywhere.
Okay, that means you're You have to just scroll all the way up on the black screen, okay?
Okay, let me do that.
Scroll, yeah.
I'm trying to. Oh, okay. Okay, yes, it just did.
Okay, now just give me a second, alright? Just stay on the line with me.
Okay.
Alright, sir.
Okay.
Okay, just be on the line with me, alright?
Yes.
We're just making sure that everything is fine before we go ahead and provide you with more details here.
Okay.
Okay, thanks for being on the line. Terry, you there with me?
Yes. Hello.
Yes. Alright, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Alright, so Terry, you should be looking at the black screen which says active connections, right?
Okay.
So I have everything prepared here. All I need is information from you. So I want you to tell me, do you see active connections written on the black screen?
Yes, I see that written.
Okay, under it, do you see Proto which says TCP below it?
TCP. Okay, yeah, I see a bunch of TCPs.
Okay, and above it, it says Proto, right?
Proto. Yes, I see that.
Yeah. So Proto is basically the TCP which says it's basically your internet network, okay?
Okay.
Now beside it, you should see local address, which bunch of unique numbers, right?
Okay.
Okay, that's your unique identity on the internet network itself. It
Okay. Yes, I
it
see that.
basically means it's kind of like your social security number, but on the internet network. Okay.
Okay.
Now, foreign address is the list of devices which are foreign to your current local address, all right, which are established on the network. So if
Okay.
you're
Yes, I
looking
see
at
that.
foreign address, that means you have hacking activity going on, all right?
Okay.
And if you have established foreign address, it means that you are currently hacked, all right?
Okay.
So I want you to check for any foreign address which are under established status. So can you check that?
I see quite a few.
Okay, so if you have more than one, I want you to tell me how many of them you have
I see one,
established,
two,
all right?
three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 20.
20. All right. Okay, see, out of the 20, Terry, tell me, do you recognize any of the foreign address? Maybe the name ring a bell, something like that.
Mm,
Some
I don't
friends out
I don't
of.
recognize any of these.
Okay. So I'm gonna confirm 20 hacking activities currently done on your computer system right now. All right.
Okay.
That means 20 different people or 20 different devices are able to use your identity online. Whatever you do online is being accessible to these people, and whatever these people are doing online, it's being reflecting of the identity of yours as the person who's responsible for doing stuff on it. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to understand, Terry, this is a sensitive case of hacking which is related with your identity theft. So
Okay.
we're going to go ahead and proceed for the identity theft case and provide you with the security for your identity. Initially, in order to do this, we need to make sure a few more things. First of all, can I know your zip code, sir?
My zip code?
Uh-huh.
Yes, it's 57273.
57273. Okay. Okay. And Terry, can you provide us with any alternate cell phone number we can contact you on in case of disconnection?
This is my only phone number.
Okay, the one which we are talking on.
Yes, that's my number.
Okay, and this is a cell phone.
Yes.
Okay. All right, just stay on the line with us, okay?
All right.
So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and secure your network and everything. But before I do that, before I ask my technician to do it for you, I want you to go tell me, do you do any online banking related activities?
Sometimes I do, but not too often.
Okay, good. Can you access your banking information right now on your computer?
Right
Because
now,
we want you to do so.
okay, yes, I can.
Okay?
Yes, okay.
All right, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead and do it and check everything, all right? From your balances to everything you can, like transactions, checking, credit card balance, everything which you can check online, check it, but use the computer itself, all right? Do not
Okay.
use your cell phones or any other thing.
All right. All right, I'm doing that right now.
Sure. You take your time. I'll be on the line. If you have faced any problem, you let me know.
Okay. Oh, shoot, I got that wrong.
All right, just Terry, are you there with me?
Yes,
Hello?
hello?
Okay, please do not do anything on the computer screen for the time being, all right? You just lost this secure connection with Microsoft. So if you're
Okay.
logged in, log out for now, all right?
Oh, yeah, I
Log
just
out
logged
for
off. I
now.
just
Quick.
finished checking my bank account anyway.
Well, log out from it as soon as you can, all right?
Yes, I just logged off.
All right, so I'm going to ask you to do it one more time, all right? So just stay on the line. Let me secure the connection first.
Okay. I mean, I just checked my bank account and, like, everything's fine, so...
Well, we understand that, sir, but we want you to recheck it because you lost the connection while you were checking the details, all right?
Okay.
So we want to make sure that you're checking the you're looking at the details while you're safely connected with us, all right?
Okay.
All right, so just give us a few seconds, all right? Let me secure the connection one more time.
Okay.
Stay on the line, please. Terry, you there with me?
Yes, hello?
Yes, Terry. Can you make sure your computer connection, internet connection, is it running fine?
I believe it is. Let me try to access Google or something.
Yeah, just go ahead.
Yes, I can access Google just fine.
Okay. All right. Then can you tell me on the taskbar at the very bottom of the computer screen, there
There's...
should be a red icon which says Remote Utilities,
Okay, yes, I see that.
right? Yeah. Can you pop that up?
Yes, so I see it says, that you needed the password. It's 5126.
No, the ID and the password, both of
Oh,
them are reflecting there, right?
okay. So the ID is 142
Mhm.
907
Mhm.
102
Okay.
692.
All right. Okay. Just stay on the line. All right. Just give me a second, and
Alright.
keep that remote utility page open up. Okay.
Yes. Alright.
Okay. Thank you so much, Terry. Mr. Chu.
Okay, yes.
All right. Okay, sir. All right. So you're safely reconnected on the Microsoft server again. So I'm really sorry for that. All right. So we apologize for it, but we want you to now go ahead and recheck your details. All right.
Alright.
Okay.
Give me
And before you log in, make sure to confirm with us one last time before you log in. All right. If
Alright.
whether you're connected safely or not.
Alright,
Yeah.
yes.
Thank you.
Whoops. That's weird. Why is it up there? Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, so my bank, the login page for my bank is like all up here.
Uh huh.
So
Yes.
the login page for my bank is like up in the top right. Like I can't see it. Can I? My bank recommended that I use Google Chrome. Can I use that?
Yes, it's not a problem. Whichever browser you use, you can go ahead and use Google Chrome. That's not an issue.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm about to log in. Is everything okay?
Yes, all right. Everything is fine from our end, so go ahead and log in, sir.
All right. Hopefully I got that. Oh, it's so slow. Never.
Okay, make sure, sir, you're looking at everything properly, okay? And you are safely connected with us, so just let us know once you're done, okay?
Alright, I'm just checking.
And make sure that make sure you're checking your transactions as well.
Yeah, everything looks fine.
All right. Okay. Make sure that your last 1 week transactions are all correct. All right.
Yes,
And as you remember them.
yes,
Yeah.
I checked my.
And
I just checked my transaction earlier.
okay. Good. And if you have more than one account, go ahead and make sure that you check the other accounts as well.
I just checked all my accounts. They all show up in one page.
Okay. Show up at one page.
Yes, so like they're all
Okay.
grouped together, so everything's fine.
Okay. So make sure you check every details. All right. If all of the details like separately, the checkings, the savings.
Yes, everything
Alright.
looks fine.
Okay. If everything looks fine. Okay.
Yes.
Just give me a second, alright? Now everything is fine. You can log out of your account, okay, if you want to. And once you're logged out of it, just let us know, please.
Alright, I just did that. I'm just logging out right now. I don't know why my internet connection is really slow right now, but
Alright, so everything is fine on your end? You're logged out of your accounts?
I'm trying to log out right now. It's just being kind of slow.
Okay, take your time, no problem.
Alright, it just logged out. Hello?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Yeah, no, yes, I was just going to tell you that, like, I just logged out of my account.
Okay, good, sir. Alright, so we are logging off, getting you off from the server, alright? So just stay on the line with us, okay? And yeah, please, can you make sure that you have that remote utility page with your internet ID and password on the screen, okay?
Okay, I'm just going to pull that up right now.
Alright. Thank you so much. Now I'll get back with you once I have more information for you, okay, sir? So please do not mind my silence. I'll be back as soon as I can with more details.
Alright,
Okay?
thank you.
Okay, thank you. Be on the line, please, sir. Thank you so much for being on the line. Mr. Chu, Terry Chu,
Yes,
you
hello?
there? Terry?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Terry, there seems to be a slight problem faced by my technician. Okay, while they were running internal scan on your networking security, it seems like your name, your email account is being linked to an account under Bank of America, and there are some charges under your name. So can you verify this? First off, can you tell me, do you have any account in Bank of America?
No, I don't.
You don't have any account in Bank of America?
No, the only bank account I have is this with Northwatch Bank, which I just checked.
Okay, so you just have Northwatch Bank. You don't have any accounts at Bank of America.
No, I don't.
Okay, sir. So you are completely positive you don't have any account on the
Yes,
Bank
I
of
don't.
America, right?
I've never signed up for any
Okay.
Bank of America account.
Okay, no problem. Just in case, I want you to write down the details, the charges which you are looking at on the Bank of America and your name, all right?
Okay.
So write down the numbers. Just give me a second.
All right.
Thanks for being on the line, sir. All
Yes,
right,
hello?
Terry, you there?
Yes,
Okay,
I'm here.
write down the details. The first charge which you are looking at under Bank of America and under your name is $4,449.99.
Okay.
Okay? The
Okay.
second charge which you are looking at is $6,789.19. 19 cents.
Okay.
Okay? All right. These are coming off from as under your name, and your details are reflecting off and under the name of Bank of America. I know
Okay,
you
so
told me that you do not have any Bank of America accounts, right?
no, I don't. Can I ask how you know
Okay.
this?
Well, so the only details which are provided to me through my technicians are the name of the bank and the details which I just provided you. Your
No, but,
name, your emails, which is reflecting off.
no, but can I ask, like, how does the technician know this? Because you're not Bank of America, you shouldn't have access to this
No, we are
information.
not. We are not Bank of America. We should not have access to these. But these things are stopping our technician from working on the case. First off, our technician they regulate and recycle everything which has been on the system of yours. All right. So
Okay.
that is due to the reason that your network identity has been hacked, right?
Okay.
So once they start working on that, they go through with the initials of your banking and your financials as well. All right. So anything which is with your name and your email address suspicious on the internet, they pops up. All right.
Well,
Once they
okay, let
start
me
the
tell you
scans.
something. You know how much of a flat lie that is? You don't know anything about me. You don't know anything about my banking information. This Northwatch Bank is a fake bank. You're Marachod scammer. Teri Maki Jute Marachod.
I already knew you were a scammer, right? Sorry, you're a prank.
Yeah, Teri
I was
Maki.
right.
Well, if you knew it was a scam,
Yeah.
why didn't you hang up to begin
Is that
with,
the only
Marachod?
is that the only abusive language or abuse you know in
No, I
Hindi?
know more.
Like
Teri
any
Banki Jute Marachod to scammer he banchod
how
bakrichod.
much time you spent how much time you spent learning those words, eh?
Less time than you spend
It was
scamming
fun.
people.
It was fun talking to you, 32.
Do you want me to
Bye.
Do you want me to send you my YouTube channel link? What's their number? 833 call.
Thanks for calling technical support. How can I help you?
Hello Marachod, can you stop scamming people? Benchod, Teri Banki Chut Marachod to
और
scammer hey
मादर
Benchod.
चौध रंडी के दोबारा आ गया तू भोसड़ी के
Yeah, Teri
ओए
Maki
कुतिए
Teri Banki Chut
तेरी
Marachod.
माँ की छूत माँ के लोड़े रंडी के बीज कोई काम नहीं है तेरे को बहन के लोड़े 2 बजे के बाद तेरी माँ चूतनी शुरू हो जाती है
Teri Banki
अरे
Chut Marachod.
मादर का लोड़ा
Teri Banki Chut Marachod.
अबे और रंडी के क्यों टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा मादर
Hello
चौध
boss DK.
कहीं और चुदो अपनी माँ जाके मादर का लोड़ा
Hello
बहन
Benchod.
का लंड
try him again. Nope, numbers down. Alright, thank you. See you next time.